Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a battle of the razors. In the left corner, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and in the right corner, we have the Viatia electric razor for men. Let's see which one will come out on top. Let's start with the price. Both of these products come in at a cool $34, so it's a tie in the price department. No need to break the bank for a clean shave. Now let's talk about the shaving experience. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades offer 3 blades that last up to 12 months. That's a lot of smoothness for your buck. Plus, it trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. Talk about versatility. On the other side, we have the Viatia electric razor for men. This bad boy has 3D floating cutter heads with a double-track ultra-thin cutter net. It adapts to the contours of your face and neck, giving you a comfortable and close shave. It's like a mini spa treatment every morning. Time to get wet and wild. The Philips Norelco OneBlade can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower. So if you're running late and need a quick shave, just hop in the shower and get it done in no time. Now, the Viatia electric razor takes it up a notch with its IPX7 waterproof design. You can use it wet or dry and even clean it directly under the faucet. No need to worry about damaging this baby. Let's move on to the additional features. The Philips Norelco OneBlade offers a glide coating and rounded tips that protect your skin. It's like a gentle massage while you shave. And don't forget, you can save up to 15% with their subscribe and save option on replacement blades. That's a win for your wallet. The Viatia electric razor, on the other hand, comes with an LCD display that shows your battery status. No more mid-shave power failures, and it even has a safety lock feature to avoid any unexpected starting up. Safety first, folks. Last but not least, let's talk about multifunctionality. The Philips Norelco OneBlade focuses on shaving, trimming, and edging. It's a one-stop shop for all your facial hair needs. Plus, it powers through even the longest hair, so no excuses for not shaving. The Viatia electric razor, however, takes it to the next level with its 2-in-1 design. It includes a men's shaver and a sideburns trimmer. It's like having your own personal barber at your fingertips. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are highly recommended for their performance, long-lasting blades, and smooth shave. The Viatia electric razor for men is praised for its effectiveness, convenience, and affordability. And there you have it, folks. The battle of the razors is over, and both contenders put up a good fight. It's a tough decision, but in the end, it all comes down to your personal preference. Do you prefer the versatility of the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, or the spa-like experience of the Viatia electric razor for men? Let us know in the comments below which one you would choose. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, this is Buy Smart, helping you make smarter purchasing decisions. Happy shaving!